Hello, my name is Sigrid. I'm the Joomla Production Department Coordinator, and welcome to the first Pizza Bugs and Fun edition in 2026. Great to here, nice to meet you. So I hope you join the channel so we can talk today, get to know you, and also support you when you go through the day, test, fix, write documentation or whatever. So the year 2025 is over. Many things, to me, many encouraging and motivating things happened in the Joomla community. We have timed releases for some years now, and so we have predictable release dates. So we had a Joomla release last October for Joomla 5.4 and Joomla 6, and we have now automated updates. So just click the button and your Joomla website will always be on the newest security and also normal releases. And what else happened last year? We had a Joomla 8 sprint in September from the production department. So now we have a strategy and a plan until Joomla 8, which comes out in October 2029. As we have the release, timed releases, we already know when that one will be published. So if you want to know more what was the result of that sprint, go to developer.joomla.org. But one of the results is that we have already a new feature in Joomla 6.1 with, for example, with the captcha plugin right in the core. So go and test that today. Since last year, Joomla is also a digital public good. This is like an official acknowledgement of our software, our open source system, and it's important to the outside world that we have a long-standing, secure, quality-approved, accessible product that is valued as a digital public good. So, and in 2026, Joomla 6.1 will be released in April. That's less than 3 months from now. So the release managers and all the other teams that are working on the releases are really busy already and also prepared for today. And we hope that you support us and them today. And you go now to fix the issues, to test pull requests, or to write some documentation. Also get involved in the community and make an impact and stay around. So join us on Mattermost. We have a Bug Squad team that's doing that on a more regular basis, not only like twice a year. Or write some documentation. You can set up a calendar reminder in your own calendar, for example, every week to go to the Joomla documentation and go there, read one page, make some improvements, write a new paragraph, write some new documentation. The new Joomla documentation is now on guides.joomla.org and is constantly improved and also today. So I want to thank now all the people who were involved to make this happen today, and also the Joomla software and this release specifically. I also want to thank our sponsors, and they are for this event, Roshan, who is a hosting provider, so check their website and the products, and Security Check. They have security extensions for websites, so also go to their website and check them. And one more thing, there will be a Joomla World Conference in October in Potsdam, that's near Berlin in Germany, and you can find all the details on conference.joomla.org rather soon, maybe it's already live, and we really hope to meet you there in person to talk to you. So now I just want to wish you a good day, meeting new friends, having good pizza, supporting Joomla, and come back and see you again. Bye.